One of the challenges in today's market is affordability. What if I told you a single person making less than $60,000 a year could buy and comfortably afford a brand new 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the Omaha market? What if they could also get $5,000 of their closing costs paid and they got a below market fixed rate interest rate for the next 30 years? Is that even possible in the Omaha market where we see buyers in multiple offer situations and in bidding wars? If you're a first-time home buyer, or if you know anyone who may be looking to purchase their first home, who may be challenged financially, you're going to want to stay tuned to today's video, and we're going to get started right now. When a buyer is purchasing their first home, especially at that entry-level price point, they have several challenges. If they buy a home below $200,000, those properties tend to be older and many have deferred maintenance. And if they're purchasing a home that was a flip, then there's other issues to contend with. Was the remodel done correctly? Were permits pulled? Were licensed contractors used? In a highly competitive market we're in, what if the buyer decides to waive the home inspection contingency in order to get their offer accepted? Even when you hire someone to do a home inspection, keep in mind all inspectors are not created equal. A home inspection will help reduce the risk when buying a home, but it does not eliminate the risk entirely. If you buy an older home, even one that has been remodeled, it is still an old home, not built to today's standards. What if you're a buyer with less than perfect finances? What if you need assistance with closing costs? What if you need help with down payment? What options are available to you? Today, we're going to tour a brand new ranch home that's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1-car garage with just over 1,100 finished square feet. It also has a little parking pad alongside of the house. And this home is located at 4546 North 16th Street in the 68110 zip code. This is a brand new home currently under construction, and it comes with a high efficiency furnace and AC, and all kitchen appliances are included as well. This home is listed for $180,000, and it's the lowest priced new construction home in the MLS. The mission of NeighborWorks is to stimulate revitalization of neighborhoods by creating quality housing choices in the communities we serve. This home is currently on the market and listed for sale with NP Dodge. If you'd like to learn more about NeighborWorks, you can visit their website at nwhomesolutions.org. What is the process if you want to purchase this home? Number one, you would choose your mortgage lender and obtain your pre-approval for a loan. 2, you would choose your real estate agent and complete a purchase agreement. If you're watching this video, I think you have a good idea who you choose for an agent. Number 3, choose your insurance agent and secure your homeowner's insurance. Number 4, sign all documentation required to close. Number 5, close on the purchase of the home and sign all closing documentation. And 6, receive the homeowner's manual and the keys. This is for owner-occupant only, so there's no investors. You cannot have an income above 120% of the area median income, meaning if you were a one-person household, your income could not exceed $84,600. If you were a two-person household, your income could not exceed $96,720. You would have to have a credit score of at least 640 or better and a debt-to-income ratio of 41% or better. Debt-to-income ratio is your monthly debt divided by your gross monthly income. For example, if you made $5,000 a month in gross income, all of your debts, including your house payment, could not exceed $2,050. If you qualify, NeighborWorks offers $1,000 toward down payment assistance and $5,000 towards your closing costs. What would this look like if you were using FHA financing? Now, these are just ballpark numbers. You'd want to get with your lender for exact numbers. Everybody's situation is going to be different, and you want to talk to your lender. But let's go for a purchase price of $180,000. You're coming in with 3.5% down payment with FHA financing. But remember, you got that $1,000 in down payment assistance. So you'd only have to come up with a down payment of $5,300. The amount financed, and this with FHA, then there's another 1.75% called an upfront mortgage insurance premium. So you're financing a total of $176,739. Now your monthly payment, and you're in a NIFA targeted area, which means you get a little bit lower interest rate below market at 6%. It's actually a little bit better than 6%, but just for this example, we're just calculating 6% would be, and this is your principal and interest, would be $1,060. Your property taxes per month, the taxes on this thing are ridiculous. It's $75 per year, but keep in mind, it's new construction. They will reassess the property and property taxes will go up. So your property taxes are currently at $7 a month. Because you're coming in with less than 20% down, there's going to be a monthly mortgage insurance premium, and that would be $81 a month. And then you have your homeowner's insurance, and we just calculated that at about $184 a month. So your total payment, which includes principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, plus your mortgage insurance premium, would be $1,332 a month. What if you didn't have the down payment saved up? Now, in that case, you could go NIFA, which stands for Nebraska Investment Finance Authority, and they have several programs you can use to assist you with down payment assistance. If you want to learn more about NIFA, I'll leave a link in the description below and in the card above. You can also check out the NIFA website at nifa.org. Now let's take a look at the estimated closing costs. You'd have title insurance. We're just going to calculate about $450. Your first year's homeowner's insurance, we're going to calculate that at about $2,200 a year. A termite inspection of $95. Your escrow closing fee, $300. Processing fee, $400. Credit report, $39. Underwriting fee, $550. Appraisal fee, $650. And if you choose to do inspections, we're just going to calculate $800 for a total of $5,484. However, you're getting closing costs assistance. So you'd only have to come to closing with less than $500 or $484. Again, this is just an estimate, ballpark. Everybody's situation is going to be different. Now you're buying new construction. Keep in mind, it doesn't come with a washer and dryer, so you'd need to buy a washer and dryer. And since it's new construction, it doesn't come with window coverings, so you'd have to budget for that as well. And then, like I said earlier, the property taxes for 2023 were only $75 for the entire year. Now, keep in mind, the property is going to be reassessed next January. So in that case, you want to plan for your property taxes to go up when it's assessed. Now let's take a quick peek inside. Again, it's still being built. Hopefully this will give you some idea of the layout. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Let's take a look.